Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something really cool. I've got the Koenig knives Arius style 55 in carbon fiber. I need to thank my buddy Guillaume for sending this guy along, so I'm able to share my experience and impressions with you. And second of all, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. That is so easy. It takes just a second. Just do it. Let's go ahead and check quickly this beauty, because you can also check my Style 55 full titanium review about the same knife. You can also check my comparison between the two guys, and this is gonna be just like a little quick overview of the features of this beautiful knife made by Koenig Knives, Idaho, US made. This thing is gonna set you around $1,200 on the secondary market because it's kind of rare. It's hard to find the Style 55, which is this has this design over here, this cutout and this fullered kind of groove going on the show side and nothing going on the lock side. You also can see Style 55 engraved in the lock bar relief, cut relief. Another thing to notice is that there's the serial number. I don't think you can see it, but you can see through the clip and through the window that is into the block side. This guy is coming with blue anodized hardware. Look at that, looking good, except for the pivot right over here and the spacer. The carbon fiber scale is only on the show side, of course, and it is internally skeletonized to reduce even further the weight, which is crazy. I mean, the weight on this fella is, what is it? Let's see, like 3.88 ounces. Is amazing. It's very, very cool. This is a gorgeous knife, of course, guys. It's the Flipper Delete, as you can notice. So it has a nice finger groove. Look at that, fully functional, very thin behind the edge, hollow grind, M390 dual tone finish blade. Pretty, oof, this edge. The thickness behind the edge here, guys, is actually, let me check how thin this thing is, because this is, yeah, look at that, 0.011. So really nice, great in the hand. I mean, there's handle to blade ratio that is not ideal because, for example, check this one. This is the Chicago of Custom Division Neon and L. So if you measure pretty much, you know, the length, of course this is smaller, but check just like blade, edge length. So I'm just gonna start right over here. Check that. I mean, this guy is insane handle to blade ratio. This guy is packing a lot of edge compared to this one, which is still, I mean, it's a different purpose, it's a different size, different ergos, different everything, different price, but still it's very, very cool. I like the Arius. This guy, Flipper Delete, so can't do that. So you can do this, all right? So you can do this with the thumb, you can do with the, maybe like even with the index finger, and you can do like your 5-finger challenge, maybe, yeah, ring finger. I'm not gonna probably be able to do the pinky. Yeah, kind of works. And I mean, it's a fidget it's a fidget toy, guys. The action is gorgeous. This guy is running on skiff bearings, by the way, and it's super smooth. I love the fact that you can spidey flick this thing all day long. You can thumb flick it. It's gorgeous. The action is fantastic, superbly done. Very cool looking knife, super light, nice and sturdy. It's very nice. I like it. It's only thing I have to say about this thing is handle to blade ratio, but that goes away because of the gorgeousness of the look and the feel and the sound. It's that good. Probably what I would change here would be this area here, because like this, you see the blade stops here and you have this much area that you can just reduce a little bit the footprint here to get a better handle to blade ratio, a little bit more compact knife, but still Arius Style 55 is a winner, guys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.